Hi, this is Rian from Must Be Noob. In this lab guide, we will join Windows 11 workgroup computer to the existing Active Directory domain running on Windows Server 2022. Let's enter the administrator account password and press Enter key. This is our domain controller for mustbenoob.lab Active Directory domain, which we have deployed in the last lab guide. Let me click on local server. You can see the computer name is DC1 and our domain name is mustbenoob.lab. You can see the IP address 192.168.96.11. This is our network design which we are using in this lab guide. This is our domain controller which is running on server 2022 with the IP address 192.168.96.11. Now let's go to a Windows 11 computer. On a Windows 11 computer, first we will set up IP addressing so that computer can communicate with our domain controller. We want to assign the IP address 192.168.96.11/24 and the DNS server's address is going to be 192.168.96.11, which is the IP address of our domain controller. Okay, this is our Windows 11 computer. Let's first set up the IP addressing. Click on Network and Internet Settings. Click on Ethernet. As you can see, right now the IP address assignment option is set to automatic through DHCP server. We want to assign a static IP address. For that, we need to click on Edit. Click on this drop-down arrow and select Manual. Turn on the IP version 4 addressing. Under IP address, we need to enter the IP address, which is 192.168.96.51. The subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255.0. The default gateway's address is 192.168.96.1. And in preferred DNS server's address, I'm going to specify the IP address 192.168.96.11. Let me show you the topology again. Okay. Click on Save. We don't have any alternate DNS address. If you have any other DNS server, you can also specify that address here as well. Click on Save. Okay. And this time we can see the IP address information. It is manual and this is the IP address which we have assigned to this computer. Okay. I'm going to close it. Let's open command prompt as well. I'm going to check network connectivity with our domain controller. So I'm going to ping 192.168.96.11 and press Enter key. We are receiving reply back from this IP address. That means we have a network connectivity. As well as I'm going to ping to our domain name, which is mustbenoob.lab in our case. Okay, let's press Enter key. And we are getting reply back from the IP address 192.168.96.11. So we have a DNS connectivity as well with our domain controller. Okay. So after pinging to the IP address and domain name, we can say that this computer can resolve the domain DNS name to IP and also able to communicate with it. Now I'm going to close the command prompt and let's click on a Windows button. Click on Settings. On a System tab, we need to go to the bottom and need to click on About. This is the name of our computer. Desktop - some renders, numbers and letters are there. This is the default system defined computer name. Under device specification, we can see that the computer name is there. Here we have information about the processor and installed memory. Under related links, we can see domain or workgroup link is there. So we need to click there to join this computer to Active Directory domain. This is the computer name. And to change it, we need to click on Change. If you want to change the computer name as well, that time you need to mention the computer name here. But right now I'm not going to change it. We just want to join this computer to our Active Directory domain. So it is best practice to assign a proper computer name to your client computer. And since this is a lab, I'm going to use the default name. Under domain name, we need to specify the name of our Active Directory domain, which is must be noob.lab in our case. Okay, let me show that. One more thing which I want to show you. Let's click on tools and open Active Directory users and computer snap-in. Click on computers container. As you can see, the computer container is totally empty. That means we haven't joined any computer to our Active Directory domain yet. Let's go to Windows 11 computer and we simply need to click on this OK button. Provide a username and password for authentication to the Active Directory domain. A normal user can join a computer to the domain, though there is a limit of maximum 10 machines that single user can join. Here I am using the domain admin account, which is administrator at mustbenoob.lab. And we also need to specify administrator account password and click on OK. Wait while your computer is authenticated on the domain, and once that process complete, it will successfully join to our Active Directory domain. And we will see one pop-up box as well. Okay, we can see the message that welcome to the mustbenoob.lab domain. Click OK. You will need to restart your computer to complete the process. So before restarting, save any open files and close all other programs. I'm going to click on OK, click on close and click on restart now. Let's go to our domain controller. Let's right click here. Already I have clicked on computers container. I'm going to refresh here. And here we can see the computer account of our Windows 11 client computer, which we have just joined to our Active Directory domain mustbenoob.lab. Okay, let's go back to our Windows 11 computer. Okay, it is still restarting. Okay, we are on a login screen. And this time we are not going to use this admin account. This is a local user account which we have created on Windows 11 computer. We are going to use the credential of our domain administrator, which is administrator at mustbenoob.lab. Let's specify the password and hit enter key. This time we'll use the credential of our domain administrator to sign into this Windows 11 computer, which is now part of our Active Directory domain mustbenoob.lab. Since we are first time logging to this Windows 11 computer using the credential of our domain administrator, and that's why the system is creating user profile for that user account. And that's why it is taking some time to log in to this Windows 11 computer. Okay, we can see the message almost there. Again, I'm going to click on settings. We want to confirm that this computer is now part of Active Directory domain. Click on about. And here we can see full device name. This is the host name of this computer. And here we can see our domain name, which is mustbenoob.lab. So this is the FQDN of this Windows 11 computer. That's the end of this lab guide on how to join Windows 11 computer to Windows Server 2022 Active Directory domain. See you all in the next lab guide. Keep watching and keep supporting.